Hi everybody, Scott Miller with River City Mortgage and Financial. Welcome to this week's Market Minute for the week of January 11, 2010. No real data out today. The Dow is down at the time that we're doing this about 19 points. However, which is normally bond friendly. However, oil prices continue to rise, kind of rise this time of year just because it's the global warming and we're all freezing to death right now. Just kidding. I don't need political emails. I'm just making a shot there. But with the temperatures obviously dipping and more use of energy, and rising energy prices are not bond friendly. So that's why we're seeing the market pretty flat today. Not a whole lot going on. This week starts some pretty big first quarter stuff that we're really looking at. We've got Treasury auctions, the 3-year, the 10-year, and the 30-year Treasury auctions this week. The demand for our debt is going to be huge because remember the Fed's been buying that and they're trying to get out of that. They're done March 31st, and hopefully if they can get out of there sooner, that'll be better. So if there's a high demand, then expect the rates to be relatively mellow. If not, there's analysts predicting rates are going to start ticking upward quite a bit. When I say quite a bit, that's anywhere from 1% to 3%. No one knows that's the truth. If anyone knew, then they'd be extremely rich. They'd own an island and just tell you when to buy and sell. So right now we're looking at the rates have to go up eventually. And it makes enough sense to do it right now with the Fed stopping the buying our Treasury debt. So these next auctions today are going to be pretty big. Unemployment numbers came in what was expected, and no big deal on the unemployment numbers. A little bit higher job losses. 50,000 more losses than expected. However, the revisions from the previous month showed actually some small gains in employment jobs, but not in, so it was just kind of wiping each other out. So as they revise these numbers, you'll see some things changing. Right now is the time to be buying, and if you haven't refinanced, now is the time to do that. I really want to be your lender. You can call me at 763-509-7400. My email is smiller@rcmortgage.com. The reason that I say now is the time to buy, house prices are probably going to remain pretty stable. That's what industry experts are telling us. Right now, if you bet on your house and qualify for that $6,500 tax credit, that's a $6,500 that you can add to your gain, if you will, on buying right now. Home prices, now is the time to be buying. We all know that. But more importantly is the price of money. If the price of money goes up, or as the price of money goes up, that's going to be costing you more. So if you're thinking of moving in 2 or 3 years, I would strongly urge you to consider making that time frame earlier. Call me if you have questions. Thanks very much, and make it a great week.